Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a nail polish declutter. This is my nail polish collection. So today we have 85 nail polishes. Some of them are old, some I don't use. So let's get right into it and see how much we can take out and how much we're gonna keep. So firstly, these are my Dior nail polishes I really love. I love the formulas, I love the brush, so all these we're gonna be keeping. Next is the Marc Jacobs nail polish in the shade Desire. This is my favorite red shade with some shine in it. So I think it's perfect for any skin tone, so we're keeping this one. This is a Chanel neutral nail polish with a little bit of shine, which I really love, so this is a keep. Now into my Nails Ink nail polish. My favorite golden glittery shade. Your nails will be covered with glitter with this one. It's Chelsea Embarkment. This is a magnetic nail polish. It's in a gray shade and it's got the magnet thing on top to make a design. So I'm keeping this for sure. These are my two Inglot and Zoeva nail polish. This is a green color, nothing like I have in my collection, and this orange color. So these are a keep also. Now onto my top coats and base coats. This is a OPI one. It's old and it's really sticky now, so I'm gonna take it out. I'm probably gonna keep these two Revlon top coats and this base coat. This is a nail dryer, but I'll just keep it. I don't have, so I'll keep all four of these. Next are my two Essence nail polish. These are brand new. So I'm most likely gonna wear this purple nail polish next, so please do keep an eye out on my Instagram. There are my Maybelline nail polishes, and there's this Rimmel one. This is a nice bright red, so I'll keep it for now. And my Maybelline one, these are like super stay gel color as well, so I'm keeping these. But this one, the color show one, I never reach for it or use it, so I think this is a pass. Next are these two, like I don't even remember where I picked it up from. It's a no brand nail polish, so, and I never use it, so I'm gonna take this out. These are my Skin Food nail polishes. I really love these, but it's old now, and when I apply them they never end up drying, so I have to take out all of these. This is a Revlon nail art one that I'm gonna be keeping. These are my other Revlon nail polishes that I never reach for. I love a good white nail, but I just don't like wearing this all over my nails, so I'm gonna take this out. Also, this one, I never ever reach for this. I have similar colors in the ones I've kept already, so I think I'll pass on this as well. These are two Clinique nail polishes. I'll keep this because they're minis and I really like the colors, so I think it's a keep. 3 Berry M nail polishes. These are gel ones, and this is a regular nail polish, so I think I'll keep the 3 of these also. This is a really nice purple golden glittery nail polish. I love wearing it on top of like a darker plummy golden shade, so I'll keep this. These are my Essence nail polishes. I love all 3 of these colors, especially this gray one. I think it's a very unique and different color, so it's a keep. Okay, next on to my OPIs. I'm most likely gonna keep most of these nail polishes. I love this pink shade. It is in the shade Sweetheart. This is a very nice neutral pink shade. I love this, so I think I'm gonna keep. And also these ones, I love this glitter one, and these sand finish ones I really like. So it's all a keep for me. Now for my smaller nail polishes, I have some that have dried out, so I'm gonna be taking it out. So let's see which this is going. I think I'll keep the rest for now. And then onto my Orly nail polishes. This is my favorite Orly nail polish. As you all can see at Trend, I love glittery nails. And you can see how much I've used of this. So I love this. So this is definitely a keep. And I think I'm probably gonna keep, oh, this is a OPI one yellow. I'll keep this as well. And I'll probably keep all of these. I really like all the shades, especially in the summer, and I think it's really fun to have some nice fun shades. So I'm gonna be keeping all. So this is my cut down collection. We started off with 85 nail polishes and we have 69. So I've taken out 16 nail polishes. And this is the stuff I've taken out. I'll probably see if there are ones that are gone bad or something. I'll end up taking it out later on a later date. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please do like and subscribe, and you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram as Makeup Diaries by Sukrita. Bye guys, till next time.